Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to order edible prints directly from our website. I'll be showing you how to order specifically from a cell phone since a lot of people have questions on how to add an image from your cell phone. On mobile, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your web browser. Here I'm using Safari, and type in our web address inkforcakes.com. Then you want to click on the top left three little lines, that's your menu, and click on Order Edible Prints. It's the third option down. This will take you right to our edible print menu. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that we offer both custom edible images and Top Milk's cocktail toppers. Those are for drinks. For now, we're going to click on custom edible images. And below you will see all our products. We have 8.5 letter size, 8.5 by 14 legal size, and our biggest sheet 11 by 17 tabloid size. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see all our pre-cut sizes. This time around, we'll just go ahead and choose our most popular option, which is the 8.5 by 11 letter size sheet. So scroll back up, and then once you get to the option, you want to click Select Options. So now this will take you right to the product page. Here is where I will show you how to upload your image that you want printed on this edible sheet. So scroll all the way down, you can see the price, and then go down to where it says Choose Options. Now where it says Photo with the red asterisk beside it, you want to click on Choose File, and it'll give you three options. It'll give you the option to take photo or video, which means that you will have to take the photo right then and there with your camera, which is a great option if you're using mobile. Or you can choose to open up your photo library. In this case, I already saved the image prior to the tutorial, so what you want to do is click on Add from Photo Library and choose your image. Now your image has been successfully uploaded, and we do have other options where you can add another image for an extra $1.99. That means that two images will print on the same sheet. Also, you have the option to add an image proof that you have to approve before we print. We also have the option to add text, which is $1.99 extra, and you can choose from different types of fonts here in the font style. For this case, we didn't add text because the image already has text on it. You can also choose the color of the text that you wish to add, and we have various options here as well. Like I said, for this tutorial we aren't adding text, but you always have the option. Now at the bottom you have the special instructions tab where you can write any message you want to us, letting us know of any special request that you may have. If we have any questions about this request, we will always call you before proceeding with your order. Here I'm just typing that I want the image as big as possible on the 8.5 by 11 sheet that I'm ordering. The last option is to add thermal packaging. You can choose this option if you want your package protected from severe weather conditions. If all your options are selected correctly and you're ready to order, you can click on Add to Cart. After this, you can either continue shopping or proceed to checkout. And that is how you order an edible print from inkforcakes.com.